Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing great. Today, I'm sharing my honest review of the Samsung Galaxy A15 4G. After using it for a few days, the design is simple but feels solid in the hand. The highlight is definitely the 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen. The colors look great, it gets bright enough outside, and the 90Hz refresh rate makes everything feel smooth. Performance is good for everyday tasks like scrolling, social media, and watching videos. The MediaTek Helio G99 chip handles all that without lag. But if you like gaming, especially heavy games, this phone will struggle a bit. The 50-megapixel camera takes decent pictures in good light, but low-light photos aren't that great. The selfie camera is okay for video calls and casual shots. Battery life is impressive. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, and the 25W charging is decent. Not super fast, but not slow either. Overall, if you want a budget phone with a great screen, reliable battery, and smooth basic performance, the Galaxy A15 4G is a solid choice. But if gaming or top-notch cameras matter most, you might want to look elsewhere. That's it for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.